Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exit plane. This will be the top plane, rotate. Now take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile here and make one bigger rectangle here. Go to dimension, define the height here as 9 mm and define this as 24 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select here the center point. Similarly, select this center point and select this point. Now here, go to line command, select here and select here. Similarly, select here and select here. So these are the joining profiles. Now go to coincident, select the center and select this. Now go to dimension. Now we'll define this dimension here as 37.75. Okay, and this we will define as 44.75. and the total here will be of 94.75. okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select complete profile. Here we will take symmetric and the distance here will be of 110 mm. okay, this will be a symmetric extrude and press OK. Now here we'll select the outermost face, select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the cut profile. Go to the circle command or you can take the arc command, take 3-point arc. We'll select here and click here, so it will be tangent to this plane. Go to line, select this, select here and select this. Now go to tangent constraint, select this and select this, select this and select this. Go to dimension, define this radius here as 25 mm and the distance here from back side will be 25 and the height will be of 20 mm. okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. So this is fully defined. Now here go to line command, select here, join till here and join here. Okay, and escape. Now this is joined properly. Now go to mirror command or first go to line command, make a horizontal line joining these 2 points, escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Okay, now you can see here if it is having any movement. Go to line command once again, select this, join till this and here join this. Go to finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, Now here you can see we have an outer profile which has been selected. Here we will take symmetric and take here cut. So this will cut this outer profile. Okay, and press OK. Go to front view, so it will look like this. Okay, now select this outermost face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point over here, make a circle of dia 30 and here from this center make dia 60. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, home, here take cut and here we will define the distance all. For profile, select this circle and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, select this profile, make it a project geometry. Now go to offset command and select this profile. I'll drag the cursor outside, press enter and take offset of 2.5 mm. Go to line command and join these profiles. Okay. Similarly here, join this. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Take here asymmetric extrude and here take distance of 3 mm. This side will be 3 mm and this side we will travel as 27 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here select this and we'll give a chamfer here. Take chamfer command, give a chamfer distance of 1 mm and select this back side also and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make one circle here of dia 11, similarly here of dia 11. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point, select this point and select this point. Go to dimension, define the center to center distance as 90 mm. Sorry, undo this and double click this 90 mm. Select the center, select this, go to dimension, define this as 45 mm and finish sketch. Take extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut and here we will take all. So this will be through cut and press OK. Now select this corner, take here chamfer, we will define the chamfer of 3 mm. Similarly here 3 mm, 3 mm, rotate and here also of 3 mm and press OK. Go to home. So this will be the profile. Okay. Rotate. Here you can define any fillet or go to fillet. Take here a fillet of 0.5. Rotate. Here also 0.5 and press OK. Go to home. Okay. Go to part 1. I hope you have completed all the profiles. Go to part 6. Here we will define the appearance. I have taken here the aluminium finish. So I'll take here aluminium polished. Okay. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.